Imagine your HR team is just carrying out regular activities, onboarding new hires, updating policies, sending out pay slips, and then suddenly you're hit with a notice of non-compliance with labor laws. It may sound dramatic, but in HR, even one unchecked policy or missed update can cost you millions or even your reputation. So how do you stay compliant without turning your HR desk into a law library? So let's decode the 5 sharpest moves you can make to keep legal risk at bay without losing your mind. But before moving ahead, I need to update my viewers that in this video, I'll not cover the basic information about HR compliance because that's already there on my channel. Please refer to the description box for the link out to that video. So the first and the important step that you can follow is don't just set policies, you need to track acknowledgements as well. Because it's one thing to draft a new shiny leaf policy or any policy, and it's another to prove that your employees actually read those policies. So what you can do in this case is that you can add digital acknowledgements to your policy, be it a click to accept button or a digital signature, because it is a legal backup for you in case of any disputes. You can think of a seat belt, which you hope that you will never need it, but when things go wrong, it's everything. Second step to follow is to stay updated with working hours and overtime laws. So is your team working 10 hours a day on regular basis, and are they getting compensated as per the law? If you are unsure about this fact, then you are already dancing near the danger zone, because each country and often states has different rules for maximum working hours, overtime pay, break durations, and many other associated things. So what you can do in this case is that always review the latest labor laws. What was legal last year might be fine today, but better yet, automate the alerts in your HR software. Third step is that you need to maintain crystal clear records, which means like from pay slips to performance reviews, documentation is your best defense. But let's be honest, digging through Excel sheets or old email threads is not going to cut in this year or upcoming years. What you need is a centralized digital repository, a role-based access controls, and auto-tagged logs for hiring, leaves, performance, exits, and grievances. So it's like giving your HR team an X-ray vision with every detail one click away. So next step is more crucial because your managers aren't HR experts, and that's okay as well. But they often approve leaves, handle discipline, or promote someone. And if they are not aligned with legal policies, you're already exposed. So what you can do is you can roll out quarterly compliance trainings for them, and yes, make them engaging as well. You need to think of a gamification process or bit-sized videos and not a 200 slide presentation which can be boring at times. Last important step is that you need to guard your employee data like a bank wallet, because from Aadhaar numbers to salary slips, your HR system are sitting on a gold mine of sensitive data. And here's the harsh truth that HR data breaches are increasing. So one slip could mean lawsuits, regulatory actions, and brand damage. So what you can do is you can set up two-factor authentication, you can access logs, data encryption, immediate lockdown in case of breaches. Because in 2025 and upcoming years, privacy isn't just an IT concern, it's a core HR territory. So if you don't know a lot about HR compliance, that's okay, you're not alone. Here are the 7 steps that you can follow. Firstly, you need to regularly review your HR policies and procedures to identify potential gaps and risk. Second, you need to ensure that your managers are well versed in HR compliance laws and regulations. Thirdly, maintain accurate and up-to-date employee records. Fourth, subscribe to HR compliance newsletters and attend industry conferences. Fifth step, you need to consider outsourcing HR compliance functions to experts. Sixth step, you need to utilize HR software to automate tasks and reduce errors. And lastly, you need to encourage open communication and a commitment to compliance throughout your organization.